Welcome you all. This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this video we are going to see Unit 7 Atoms and Molecules, Standard 10, Session 8. Today discussion topic, all the definitions present in Unit 7, that is atoms and molecule. First term, atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that cannot be made or destroyed. Consists of three fundamental types of particle, that is protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive charge. Electrons is negatively charged particle. Neutrons has no charge. Here protons and neutrons are present inside the atom. That part is called as nucleus. Electrons revolves around the nucleus. That is revolves around the nucleus in particular path. That is called as orbit. Next term, atomic number. Atomic number depending upon the number of protons. Number of protons which is always equal to number of electrons. Normally all the atoms are neutral condition because number of positive charge equal to number of negative charge. So atomic number equal to number of protons or number of electrons. Mass number, that is total number of protons and neutrons. Sum of number of neutrons plus number of protons equal to mass number. Next term, average atomic mass. The average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. Average atomic mass formula. Average atomic mass is equal to mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope. Next term, modern atomic theory. The main postulates of modern atomic theory are: an atom is no longer indivisible after the discovery of electrons, protons and neutrons. Atoms of the same element may have different atomic mass, but atomic numbers are same. That is called as isotopes. So, isotopes means number of protons or electrons presented in the element is same, but number of neutrons are different. Atoms of the same element may have different atomic mass but same atomic number. That type of elements are called as isotopes. Atoms of different element may have same atomic mass but different atomic number. That is called as isobars. That means number of neutrons are same of different elements. Next point, atoms of one element can be transmuted into atom of other element. That is called as artificial transmutation. Next point, atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. Atom is the smallest particle that take part in the chemical reaction. The mass of the atom can be converted into energy. According to Einstein law, E equal to mc square. Molecule. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by strong chemical force of attraction. That is called as chemical bond. Next term, classification of molecules. Molecules are classified depending upon the number of atoms present in it and the type of atoms are present in it. That is classified into homoatomic molecule, heteroatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule means the molecule is made up of similar kind of atom. So that is called as homoatomic molecule. Molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms. Heteroatomic molecule means the molecule that contain atoms of different element, that is called as heteroatomic molecules. If a molecule is containing more than 3 atoms, then it is called as polyatomic molecule. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called as atomicity. Next topic, difference between atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. But a molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound, because molecule is formed by atoms are combined. Okay, atoms are combined together, molecules are formed. So, atoms does not exist in free state except in noble gases. Noble gases only exist in free state, but molecules exist in the free state. Except some of the noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive. Why noble gases are chemically inactive? Yes, noble gases already in stable electronic configuration. So that is in stable in nature. So that is no need for involved for any chemical reaction. So chemically noble gases are inert. Then only that is called as inert gases. But molecules are less reactive. Atoms does not have a chemical bond, but in a molecule, atoms in a molecule are held by chemical bonds. Next term, mole. Mole is the amount of substance that containing as many elementary entities, that is atoms, molecules or other particle, as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon-12 isotope. Mole of atom. 1 mole of an atom containing 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms, and it is equal to its gram atomic mass. Mole of molecule. 1 mole of matter containing 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules, and it is equal to its gram molecular mass. Next term, atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element is the mass of one atom of that element in atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit means 1/12th of the mass of an atom of carbon-12 is called atomic mass unit. It is a unit of mass used to express atomic masses and molecular masses. Molar mass. The molar mass of an element is equal to the numerical value of the atomic mass. However, in case of molar mass, the unit changes from U to G. The molar mass of the atom is also known as gram atomic mass. Avogadro hypothesis, that is explained by Avogadro law. Avogadro law states that equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Application of Avogadro's law. It explains Gay-Lussac's law. It helps in the determination of atomicity of gases. Molecular formula of gas can be derived using Avogadro law. It determines the relationship between molecular mass and vapor density. It helps to determine gram molar volume of all the gases, that is 22.4 liters at STP. Some important formulas used in this lesson is number of carbon-12 atoms equal to atomic mass by mass of one atom. Calculating number of atoms or molecule given the number of moles. Number of atoms equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of molecules equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Calculating the mass of an individual molecule. Mass of one molecule equal to molar mass by Avogadro number. Mass of sample equal to number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles is equal to mass of sample by molar mass. Once again, some important formulas for this unit is number of carbon 12 atoms equal to or number of atoms is equal to atomic mass in gram divided by mass of one atom in gram. Calculating the number of atoms or molecules given the number of moles. If number of moles is given, how to calculate number of atoms? Yes, the formula is number of atoms equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. If number of mole is given, calculate number of molecules. That formula is number of molecules equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Calculate the mass of an individual molecule. Mass of one molecule equal to molar mass by Avogadro number. Mass of the sample equal to number of moles into molar mass. Therefore, number of moles equal to mass of the sample divided by molar mass. Thank you.